Alright, hey guys. Today I have another unboxing for you. It's pretty rare. It actually was really quick shipping. It was priority 2 days, so that's the reason. But yeah, I'm really excited to open it. The mail just came, and it costed me $23 for this thing. It actually was a pretty good deal, considering... I mean, you know, it's not like a rare old pull station like in the previous video, the BG6 or anything, but you know, you'll like it. It already may be up in the description, in the channel, in the title. And I only have these tiny little pliers. You know, I should get some scissors up here someday, just for my unboxings. You know, I think that will work out well, but... There we go. Sorry, I couldn't get that. Ooh, free newspapers. I love free newspapers. Well, at least it's not peanuts. I hate those things. And yes, it actually is new in box. Let me take the invoice out so you guys don't see that. I love it when they fold it up so you don't have, they don't like have it in plain view. You got for you stalkers out there to see my address and come stalk me to do whatever you want to me. So, let's see here. Let's get it out of. Let's get it, free it from its... anything else in the box? Nope. Set all that crap over there. Okay. CH2415 chime strobe. Yep, that's right. Man, System Sensor does not like to actually put things in a box that, you know, actually label their box. Except for that little sticker. But, oh well. Well, you guys still can't see it. Anything else in the box? Nope. Goodbye, box. Yep, that's right. Well, once we get out of the box, the bag. Spectral Alert Classic Chime Strobe, and it was new in box. For once, they actually mean new in box. Feels really cheap and plasticky, but that's with most fire alarms. Yep, the Spectral Alert Classic Chime Strobe. I now own it. There's the dip switches to change the tones. Let's focus. Comes with this little mounting plate thing. It mounts this way, and this is pretty much flush on the wall. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. This actually, as you can tell, was designed to look just like the or designed to look kind of like their speaker strobe model. The classic speaker strobe, if you know what the classic Spectral classic speaker strobe, the one with the big speaker on the side and the strobe. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need. Actually, we will need this for the dip switch settings. Hang on, let me open this up. Let's see, where is the dip settings? Volume switch. Oh, there they are. I love dip switches. Well, anything's better than having those little jumpers that Gentex especially uses for the GOS. I hate you, Gentex, for doing that. Yes, they use these little black jumpers, if you know what I'm talking about. The one with the little pins that it just pretty much completes the circuit, and I absolutely hate it. You got to use pliers to get them out because they're so close together. I don't have any fingernails, so... And then they always get lost and everything. It just doesn't work out right. See what's lurking in this bag. Yes. The, sticky things. Fire, alert, evacuate. I'm not going to put those on right now because, you know, I have no idea what this thing is. Oh, the removal tool. As it just said, removal tool. Oh, it's like magic. There you go. Back on your thing. And I'm actually going to put this garbage right in here, back in the bag, so I don't lose them, because I'm probably going to use those red screws, too, for anything else. So... yeah, let's get now into the fire alarm. I'm really eager to set this thing off. Let's see here. So the dip set. Here's everything you need to know. I think right here. on this convenient sticker located right here where you can't see on the camera well. There we go. It has 1200 hertz, 1000 hertz. Oh, let's just look off here. I think that'll be easier. Actually, where is it? Come on, buddy. 1.2 kilohertz. Focus. There we go. Or 1200 hertz, 1.0 kilohertz, 1000 hertz, and 800. Or 0.8 kilohertz or 800 hertz. And then they have repeat. And then they have it in repeating 1 second, repeating 1/4 second, code 3, and single stroke. And then there's also the original 3000 hertz or 3 kilohertz electromechanical horn, which sounds like a whistle if you don't know what that is. And then their rare 500 kilohertz, 500 hertz or 0.5 kilohertz. So let's set this off, and yeah.